Hello everyone. In this movie, I will show you how you can download and install VS Code, Visual Studio Code, which is the IDE that we are going to use throughout this course, MIT 11053 Fundamental Programming. So I have launched Google Chrome browser and I have added one tab in the search box. I'm going to type download VS Code and I'm pressing enter key and I'm going to click on the first link that I get, and it shows download Visual Studio Code for Windows, Linux and Apple OS. Since we are using I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on this Windows link. If you are using other versions, you can use Mac OS or other operating system links you can use. So let me click on this Windows link. Here once I click on this, it starts downloading and it shows the download process, and let us wait until the process is complete. So it continues download process. So download is complete. I'm going to click on this folder icon to start. Here we can see VS Code user setup 64-bit is completely downloaded. I'm going to double click on this to open. It starts setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to click on accept the agreement button, radio button, and click next. It shows where it is going to install the files. Setup will install Visual Studio Code into the following folder. The location of the installation is shown here, and click next. It says start menu item, how it's going to look like in the start menu of your computer. And if you don't want any folder in the start menu, you can click on this checkbox, don't create a start menu folder. Here I'm going to click all the options, create a desktop icon so that you can see a link on the desktop for launching this program. Add open with code option to the context menu when you right click on a file, Python file or other files that could be open using this Visual Studio Code, VS Code, and add open with code action Windows Code directory also. The other two options are clicked by checked by default. If it is not, if they are not, you can check them all, so that we will have a seamless experience of using VS Code. Now it's started installing. The progress bar is nicely progressing very fast. It installs. Let us wait, and nearly complete. Yes, it has completed the installation process. The launch Visual Studio Code checkbox is checked, that is selected, which means if I click finish, it will automatically start. Here I have VS Code screen with me with a welcome page displayed. Get started with Visual Studio Code, VS Code. It asks whether you are going to set the theme. You can choose a theme. I have given material how you can set the theme using this gear wheel and then choosing the theme, and I have also given how you can download and install Python, etc. You can see, and with this installation complete, I will continue to show you how you can download and the Python extension for Visual Studio. Here you can see these extensions icon on the sidebar. Give it a click and I'm going to type Python inside. It searches for Python. The first option is Python language support with extension. I'm going to click this. So in the interface right panel, you see Python with an install button. Click that button so that the installation process will start. I'm going to click on this extension again to toggle it back so that it hides. It is installing now. Once it has finished installation, you will see uninstall button instead. So again I'm going to check here Python. So it shows uninstall or disable, which means Python extension for VS Code has been added to the Visual Studio Code. This is how we download and install VS Code to our computer and install Python. So in the next movie we will see how we can create Python source code and how we can run it using Python interpreter. Python interpreter is not installed in Visual Studio by default. We will have to select the interpreter that is optimum for this VS Code. We will do that in another movie. Until then, thank you so much and bye.